How to add your name on Android lock screen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add your name on Android lock screen. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Want to add a personal touch to your Android lock screen? Whether it's for security reasons or simply to show off your style, adding your name can make your device feel more like yours. Plus, it can be a lifesaver if you ever misplace your phone. So for that, you simply need to open settings on your device. Scroll down and then navigate to home screen and lock screen option. Now on this lock screen settings, scroll down and select clock style. Here you can see the different kind of clock style, vertical and horizontal. On this section, you have to look for an option that says lock screen message or owner information. Simply you have to tap on it to edit. After you open it, type in your name or any message you would like to display on the lock screen. Make sure it's something easily recognizable. After entering your name, save the changes. You may need to tap down or save to apply the update and lock your device and wake it up to see your name displayed on the lock screen. Unfortunately, if your device don't have this feature, then you have to subscribe our channel to get updates about when this feature gets update on your device. So, if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.